March 24th, 2012. Plus I'm testing out my new head cam Jane got me for my birthday. Sam, kite, kite. Come on, Sam. Hey, come on, let's get the kite. Have Grandma pick it up for us, will you? There it goes. There it goes. See it? Okay. You got it? You got it? Pull it! Pull it! Fly it! You got it! It's up there! Sam, come here! Run! He's literally flying it by himself. You go! Go! You're doing good! You're doing good! You're doing good. You've been flying it for like 5 minutes. Good job. Crash! It crashed. Alright, I gotta wind it back up. Here. You go pick up the kite for Papa. I'll wind it up. You were doing good. We're almost, one more try here. Go pick it up. The kite, not the string. Sam. Come here. Come here. Here, Sam. Here, come get it. Come get the string. Here. Here. You fly it. You fly it. Here. You fly it. Oh, you're doing good. Back. Wrong way. This way. Did you get any pictures? Alright. You can't run into the kite. Here. Here. Yeah, it's going good. You hold it. You hold it. Here. This way. Come on. Run towards me. We gotta stay with the wind. Can't go against it. I'll do it. Come on, this way. Come on. Here. Go. Go, go. Perfect. That's the way you want to go. Don't let it crash. Good save. Here, you do it. You do it. Alright. Look at you go. Whoa. Hold on to it, don't clap. Come on. Tell Grandma your turn. It's way up there. Go get it. Go get Grandma. Go get Grandma. Go get Grandma. You're doing good. Look how high you got it up there. Come on. Hey, come here. He's alright. Here. Let's fly this one. Let's fly. Look at that kite. See it? See it way up there? See how far that thing is? Grandma got it out there way far for you. Oh, we need some wind. You want to hold it? You can hold it. Okay. Okay. See it? There you go. There you go. Don't let it... Sam, this way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Sam, this way. Back up. Back up. Hey, come here. Come here. Hurry up. Save it. Uh-oh. It's in a free fall, Sam. Bring it to Papa. There you go. You got it. Come on. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh. Wow, it's way up there, buddy. It's way up there. It's way up there. Hop up. Thank you.